Can you believe it? With just a few discarded trash baskets, I've recycled and turned them into strawberry planters at home, and surprisingly, the yield is incredibly high. This method is budget-friendly, eco-friendly, and lets you enjoy a lush strawberry garden full of big, sweet fruits right at home. Follow me. If you enjoy this video, make sure to watch till the end today. I'll show you how to plant and care for your plants the right way, from the very first steps to flowering and fruiting. By the end of this video, you'll see that growing plants at home is easy, fun, and incredibly rewarding. Like, comment, subscribe, and let's grow something beautiful together. To grow healthy and strong seedlings, I choose fully ripe strawberries for propagation. Ripe strawberries contain firm, mature seeds that have a higher germination rate, allowing the seedlings to grow evenly and produce more fruit later on. I take a tomato, remove the inside pulp, place a strawberry inside, close it, and put it in a pot with soil to start propagation. This method allows the strawberry seeds to absorb natural moisture and nutrients from the tomato, helping them sprout faster and grow into stronger seedlings. One small comment from you can make this garden bloom brighter. Now I'll gently water the top of the soil to keep the seedling pot moist. Proper moisture helps the seeds germinate faster, prevents dryness, and creates the perfect environment for healthy seedling growth. While waiting for the seedlings to grow, I'll prepare recycled trash bins to use as planting containers. Reusing old bins helps save money, protect the environment, and create convenient planting spaces right at home. I use a hole punch tool to make holes around the bin, allowing better airflow and drainage when adding soil. This prevents waterlogging, keeps the soil healthy, and helps the roots grow stronger and the plant thrive faster. I use hanging ropes, tie the 3 ends together securely, and hang the container up high. This method saves space and creates a neat hanging system, allowing the plants to get more sunlight and airflow for better growth. I use a water bottle and attach a wick to turn it into an automatic watering bottle for the plants. This allows water to slowly seep into the soil, keeping it evenly moist and helping the plants stay healthy without frequent watering. To make the soil loose and well aerated, I mix rice husks into it. Rice husks improve soil ventilation, maintain proper moisture, and create an ideal environment for strong root growth. Your one like keeps this tiny garden alive. Don't let it wither. After a few days of propagation, the seedlings have grown well, so I'll transplant them into the recycled trash bin filled with soil. This gives the plants enough space for root growth, better nutrient absorption, and faster, healthier development. I pour water into the bottle so the wick can absorb and transfer moisture from the bottle to the soil. This slow drip watering method keeps the soil evenly moist, promotes healthy root growth, and helps the plant stay fresh and strong. Soaked rosewater has great benefits. It helps stimulate root growth, naturally disinfect, and promote healthy plant development. It's rich in natural plant nutrients that boost immunity, prevent fungal diseases, and keep the leaves lush, green, and vibrant. Every subscribe is a drop of water for this little green world. I add an organic fertilizer packet to the base of the plant to provide extra nutrients. Organic fertilizer improves the soil, adds beneficial minerals and microbes, and helps the roots grow stronger, the leaves stay lush, and the plant produce more flowers and fruits. I add more soil around the base of the plant to help it stand firm and retain moisture for the roots. Adding soil also covers and protects the young roots, allowing them to grow stronger and absorb nutrients efficiently, keeping the plant healthy and vibrant. To provide extra nutrients for the plant, I dilute liquid fertilizer with water and use it to water the plant. Liquid fertilizer allows the roots to absorb nutrients quickly, helping the plant grow stronger, stay lush green, and produce flowers and fruits more evenly. If you're still watching, please leave a like. It means the world to me. This is the stage when the plant is flowering and fruiting, which makes it easy for pests and fungi to attack. So, I mix soaked rose water with regular water and spray it on the plant. This natural solution helps repel insects, prevent fungus, and boost the plant's immunity, keeping it healthy and productive. It's amazing. With my simple planting and care method, I now have a lush strawberry garden full of ripe, juicy fruits. Seeing the beautiful results after all the care and effort truly makes me happy. Every bit of work has paid off perfectly. Now it's time to harvest my results. The moment of picking fresh, ripe, red strawberries with my own hands is truly joyful, a well-deserved reward for all the days of planting and care. Every comment, every subscribe is a small seed of hope. Thank you.